Misia penny back airport and I mean is it Nana Kosi NGC. Oh okay. I met him at the airport. Now obisa so Kofi nti one kasa catch me. Now we are the VIP lunch and now or the Kofi one kasa Don Mahama over man say. I look at him, I told him, well, from all intents and purposes, I will give Don Mahama 7.
Oh, okay, you gave 7.
I'll give him 7.
Okay.
I mean, in all realities, me can say or twice say yeah. Yeah. I didn't know yeah be there. I me so much joy. Committee awati for aviation.
Okay.
Say Ghana, you bring here back your airline back to Ghana. And we are say a country like Ghana, say Mike, you need a single airline.
But name will be you.
Ghana. And you will be a Tony Yes, a Romu Choba. You won't fufu. And if John Mahama for nothing at all, at the end of 4 years, yet Ghana Airways
back
Juma Pesca Mayania. Oh, may the Lord be with him.
Amen.
Because we need some of these things.
Yeah.
And the posture on a mobile for a Juma employment.
Yeah.
So, Mike, Ghana need here Saudi Scababation Butumu. No political party. And the best Soriano passe, Monsanlai, the Jiska Kodi, no. Boys a good memory, say Juma Okroma, when
yeah.
Create the enabling environment.
Exactly.
Let the people feel free and work.
Sure.
Kakra oyeno, manisaka nisika so.
Sure.
Nisika odidi nijwa, manishe.
Yes.
This is what every Ghanaian needs. Yeah. Yes, but we need a certain level of, assurance to say working environment. John Mahama 120 days in office. And therefore, I will give you the opportunity and make course on that.
Okay.
John Mahama at 120.
Okay.
Your assessment 1 to 10.
Okay.
Sir Mike, Overman is saying John Mahama at 20.
At 120.
At 120. Rating him 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest. 0531-455-105. Your voice note. John Mahama. That was EZRA, right?
Yes, EZRA.
And I 120 in office.
Yes.
120 days.
Yes. Jokasai Kama.
So John Mahama at 120.
Yes.
Who rating as a journalist? Sir Mike, Obama is saying.
Remember Mahama 6.
6.
Yes. Which is a pass mark. Very, very pass mark.
You are giving him
6 out of 10.
This marks as a trained teacher.
Yes.
O marking kwala paperwork.
Yes.
6. Yes.
Yes.
And you are examiner.
Yes.
And not examiner at any Kokopian school.
David.
But West African Examination Council.
Exactly.
We as supervisor and I say top. What's the one I agreed with?
I'm a supervisor.
You are examiner.
Yeah, examiner.
Examiner in which subject?
In science.
In science.
Me a science. I'm a vocal me social science university.
What be
me a biological science.
Science.
Yes.
Good.
Me a science.
So Uber rating 6.
Yes.
Why 6?
Me share ne promises are o make here.
Okay.
The social contract.
Yeah.
Now me share say 1 the issue of the e-levy. Betting tax. We hear fuel.
Yeah.
So me travel to that was a social contract.
Yeah.
Me share the launch of Ajumara.
Yeah.
What me at the Abba.
Yeah.
And then I look at the dollar.
The cedi to dollar.
The cedi to dollar. As we speak, it is a little.
EZRA,
I think 13.8 or so.
13.45.
4.45. It tells you so. Oh yeah, dear. And then fuel. About form.
That's what I take about 4 consecutive times.
Good. So me share the okay.
And payment of university
allowances.
First year students allowance. Yes.
Okay. And the oh yeah.
Yeah.
Even the appointment to the Jubilee House.
Yes.
And Nippon take charge of the 24-hour economy. Even though 24-hour economy is not in operation. but
and the number of ministers
are 56.
to be reduced
as we speak 56
significantly ever in the history of this republic.
56.
Yeah.
Not even sister no can one some cry. I think say for now
ne tamfo kura beka so ya de.
For now near my year. Enra I think that I heard say na MPP man be 42%.
On man 45.
45 at some universities a pass mark. Yes. 45.
But UCC
UCC Uniba. Okay, a fail. Now ko University of Ghana now ko take a pass mark. So even in the major opposition party
man a pass
mark. And indeed Mahama Obaye the way or comporting
the posture for now. He looks more refined.
Exactly. So for me, for now there, I'll give Mahama a 6 out of 10.
I see.
Inti me no baby me for na man fa ma no. Say me teacher need enka. The entia onya for no. Anka ho ma na nye 10 no. The fight against illegal mining.
Yes.
And no there John Mahama also commitment be to me.
Yeah.
Appointing a minister and no any solution to it. Because minister never you know me say dan hu ade bia na omoka say the gold bond the gold bond no be boa ama yetimi afight illegal mining no fi say eno no say onye a legal licensed miner untimi enkoton gold no. But the point is that we bet be illegal mining now akokoton ama a licensed legal miner no so akokoma gold board no.
For me worry about him the illegal mining and a doomsong.
Okay.
He has not proven to be seriously committed to solving doomsong.
Oh, but say everyone can say the words. Or say or you see word be or say my words are my bond. Enti what the can catch say so you. Atabodi momama the sound momama sound na yinti enra John Mahama tema na or man address on that. Yes. And it's something that we need to listen to him. But over to the voice note abreme 0531455105 enra John Mahama at the 120 days in office. What assessment? One man is 6. Yes, 6.
I've given him 7.
Yes.
Adiapena everyman ahe.
Mama 7.
Idea pronounce man is 7. Okay. Why will you give him 7?
Me shall say now. Wait to like wait in the Mufando. Teach you university for no. Most my ways do not mean you can't be brave. You should most in the you should take Adam Moon. Take Nessa Guno Shaba or Janus. Hey, not take care of some man. What's it? You now born to walk out quite. Wow. And a mama, why has a power? And Mahama, why has an fee? Bet na sister na do net time oya na our bet since we to our bet no we if ho no wa ba be my bet na che de ne kwa hye nsem no.
Oh, okay. Fair Mahama yen say our akufo yen our bet meaning what?
On the on my youth no on bon busia bia mo mfa ntwa bet but easy person easy wo wa ba be our bet
Adiapena
what bomb Adiapena to bomb akufo aro di our bet na ba
Mahama our bet
then Mahama my bet because we dey ni ja odia na akufo aro di
our bet
wan ko bi so ro na TVD eto yin wo ko twa ro wa tede de nti na our bet.
Yes.
Ade be no kuru bia na
mejeji
to wa no we kuru na aka de ya kire no azo we de ya hona ni boja ade be na asna wo kan ya hona ni boja de dia ma o efri di efre akonta twa bi ade wo nim say ayi sports fu e baye say de nani anje edu brother so omo osna wo sa collect na konwem wo so na
Yet bet no.
What? Obin Tora Coco Diego. My bet and my bet.
Yes.
Anyway,